A very warm good morning to all the viewers of Scholars High. Scholars High is always ready to amaze its audience with its eye-catching event. Our next event is Inter-House Quiz Competition. Selected students from each of the four houses, Asadhya, Bhadrapada, Dhruv, and Saptarishi, are going to participate in the quiz competition. The stage, the screens, buzzers, and quiz masters. Everything is ready. As you can see, almost after a year, we are able to see our students in the school campus. It is just overwhelming to see such happy and merry faces. But one thing we have taken care of is children's safety and social distance. With all safety measures, the competition is about to start
Alright.
in few minutes.
The first question is for Asadhya House. Asadhya House, which Indian cricketer has been honored with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2020? Alright, the options are Jasprit Bumrah, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, or MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd knows the answer? Yes? The correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Alright, we'll move towards the next question for Bhadrapada House. The number of hearts in an octopus is dash. You can choose to ask for options as well. Alright, option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, or option D no heart. Correct answer is 3 hearts. Next question for Dhruv House. The longest river by volume is dash. Options are Nile, Amazon, Mississippi, or Lake Superior.
Sir, Amazon.
Amazon is the correct answer. All right. Next question for Saptarishi House. Which city was the first to host Olympic Games?
Delhi.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the audience? Yes? Athens is the correct answer. Alright. Question again for Asadhya House. The Statue of Liberty is gifted to USA by which country? The correct answer is France. Next question for Bhadrapada House. What is the retirement age for the Chief Justice of India? The options are 60 years, 65 years, 70 years, or 55 years. 65 years is the correct answer. 5 points. Next question for Dhruv House. In humans, the fertilization takes place in which part of the body? Options are ovary duct, fallopian tube, pancreas, or gallbladder.
Fallopian tube.
Fallopian tube is correct answer. 5 points. Next question is for Saptarishi House. Which dam is built on Mahanadi River?
Sir,
Options are Bhakra Nangal, Houston Dam, Hirakund, or Tihri Dam.
Bhakra Nangal.
Bhakra Nangal. 5 points. Next question for Asade House. Name the tunnel recently inaugurated by the Indian government under the Rohtang Pass.
Sir, options.
Options. Option A, Atal Tunnel. Option B, Jawahar Tunnel. Option C, Indira Tunnel. Or option D, Vande Bharat Tunnel.
Sir, Jawahar Tunnel.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd? Atal Tunnel is the correct answer. Next question for Bhadrapada House. What percentage of Indian population is engaged in agriculture? You have to give me the percentage. %30 is wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd? 70% is the correct answer. Alright, moving on to Dhruv House. Next question is for you. Please be ready. Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits any discrimination on any basis?
Sir, Article 50.
Article 15 is the correct answer. 10 points. Next question for Saptarishi House. What is the percentage of reservation in government institutions for OBCs?
27%.
Wonderful, 10 points. 27% is the correct answer. Next question for Asadya House. Asadya House, which is the smallest cell organelle in human body?
Sir, options.
Options are chromosomes, ribosomes, lymph duct, or lysosomes.
Sir, chromosomes.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd? The correct answer is ribosomes. Next question for Bhadrapada House. Which of the following is responsible for nitrogen fixation of atmospheric nitrogen? Bacteria, virus, fungi, or algae? Bacteria is the correct answer. 5 points. Next question for Dhruv House. In the year 2020, Ayushmann Khurrana was awarded the National Award for which Indian film?
Sir, option.
Please be clear.
Sir, option.
Options are A. Andhadhun, B. Vicky Donor, C. Bewakufiyan, or D. Uri the Surgical Strike.
Sir, Uri the surgical strike.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the audience? Yes. Andhadhun is the correct answer. Ayushmann Khurrana did not star in the movie Uri. Next question for Saptarishi House. When was the 13th IPL organized?
Sir, option.
2020, 2019, 2018, or 2017?
2020.
2020 is the correct answer. 5 points are awarded. Now this is a special round for you guys. I will be asking you to spell a word. If you choose to spell it without asking the meaning, 10 points. If you choose to ask the meaning of the word, I'll give you 5 points for the correct answer. Question for Asadya. Asadya, you have to spell entangled.
ENTAGLED.
Wrong spelling. Can anybody tell me the correct spelling for entangled? The correct answer is ENTANGLED. You missed an N. Next question for Bhadrapada. Bhadrapada House. You have to spell for me the word summon.
SUMMON.
SUMMON is the correct answer. 10 points. Next question for Dhruv House. Dhruv House, you have to spell for me the word proprietor.
Sir, P R O P E.
Wrong answer. Anybody can spell for me the word proprietor? The correct answer is PROPRIETOR. Now this is the last question for round 1. You have to spell for me the word accustomed.
ACCUSTOMED.
Accustomed spells ACCUSTOMED. Correct answer, 10 points. Now we have successfully completed round number 1. We'll be moving to round number 2. I believe you guys are aware what are the rules for round number 2. Yes, everybody? You have to press the buzzer, wait for the visual team to ask you to answer. Is it clear? Do not prompt answer for the other team. The first question, everybody buzzers ready. Operation Meghdoot was started by which segment of the Indian Defence Forces? No takers. Anybody from the audience? Yes, correct answer is Indian Air Force. Next question for everybody. Hands on buzzers. Which gland is also known as emergency gland?
Asadya House. Adrenaline.
Correct answer is adrenal gland, 10 points. Next question. Which country is the highest producer of wheat?
Asadya House. USA.
Wrong answer. Anybody knows the answer from the crowd? Yes? The correct answer is China. Now, we will be playing a voice clip for you. You have to identify the voice of the person. You will be pressing the buzzer and waiting for answering.
एक प्रकार से सनसनीखेज की स्थिति पैदा हुई है। एक संक्रमण को रोकने के लिए पूरे देश के अंदर
Anybody? No takers. Yes. Correct answer is Yogi Adityanath. Next question, a very easy question for you guys. Who established Sanskrit College in Varanasi?
Asadya House. Jonathan Duncan.
The correct answer is Jonathan Duncan, 10 points. Everybody, brace yourselves, hands on buzzer. When did India start its first freedom struggle?
Asadya House. 1857.
Correct answer, 1857. Now we will be showing you an image. You have to identify the building. The image, please. You have to press the buzzer if you identify this building.
Asadya House. Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Correct answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next question. Everybody, hands on buzzer. The Rihand Dam is located in which state?
Asadya House. Odisha.
Unfortunately, the wrong answer. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Name the valley in which the recent conflict between India and China took place in 2020.
Asadya House. Galwan Valley.
Galwan Valley is the correct answer. Next question. How many wars has India fought with Pakistan? Visual team.
Asadya House. 2.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the audience? Yes, correct answer is 3 wars. Next question. What is the color of the blood of grasshoppers?
Asadya House. Blue.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is it is white or transparent. Next question. The hotel chain Taj Group of Hotels belongs to which Indian group? Yes? Anybody from the audience? Tata Group is the correct answer. Which country has the oldest boarding school in the world? No takers. Anybody from the audience? The correct answer is England. In which number system there is no symbol for 0?
Asadya House. Roman.
Roman number system, correct. 10 points. Name 3 mediums through which sound can travel.
Saptarishi House.
Correct answer is solid, liquid and gas. All 3 mediums. 10 points. Malaria is caused by mosquito bite. You have to name the mosquito species that carries the microbe.
Asadya House. Anopheles.
You have to tell me the complete name. No points for half answers. Anybody knows the answer from the crowd? Yes. Female Anopheles mosquito. Correct. Next question. Which is the largest island on earth?
Greenland.
Greenland. Correct answer. 10 points. Name the state which used to have a separate constitution which does not exist anymore.
Dhruv House.
Sir, Jammu Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir is correct answer. 10 points. Next question. Hands on buzzer. What is the total number of members of Rajya Sabha?
Saptarishi House.
Wrong answer. Anybody knows the total number of members for Rajya Sabha here? 250 is the correct answer. Next question. And the last one. Name the first citizen of India in present time. You have to give me the name. Correct answer, Ramnath Kovind. 10 points. With this, we come to an end of quiz competition for class 8. And we'll be giving 2 rounds. The first round will have pointed questions for each house. Each house will be asked 5 questions. Each question is worth 10 points for the correct answer. If you choose to answer without options. If you choose to answer with options, you get 5 points for the correct answer. Half answers or incomplete answers will not yield any marks. If the answer is prompted by some other team, we will cancel the question and a fresh question will be asked. Though there is no negative marking for this round, but prompting the answer of someone else's question will result in a -5. You will get only 10 seconds time to answer any question. Is it clear? That doesn't result in any negative marking. You'll be just getting a 0. Clear? So if in case you know the answer, you don't know, you want to attempt, you should go ahead. Alright, we'll start with Asadya House again. Asadya House. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Anybody from the audience? Yes. Sorry? No, the correct answer is barometer. Instead of losing time, you can ask for options if you're confused. Next question. What is the percentage of reservations for SCs and STs? Anybody from the crowd? %, 15%, 18%, or 30%? Correct. Next question for Dhruv House. What was the name of Jahangir's wife? Anybody from the crowd? Yes. You can always ask for options. Instead of losing all marks, you can still get 5 points if you ask with options. The correct answer is Mehrunisa. Next question for Saptarishi House. Aine Akbari and Akbarnama were written by dash. You have to fill up the blank.
Sir Akbar.
Sorry?
Akbar.
Wrong answer. Anybody knows the answer for this question? Abul Fazal is the correct answer. However, you will not be awarded any marks. Next question, back to Asadya House. Asadya House, aorta is the largest dash. Options are vein, artery, capillary, or nerve ending.
Sir, veins.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is artery. Bhadrapada House, what is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid?
H2SO4.
H2SO4. Correct answer, 10 points. Dhruv House, what is the process of applying a protective zinc coating on iron surface used to prevent rusting called?
Galvanization.
Correct. Galvanization, 10 points. Saptarishi House, what is the SI unit for temperature?
Sir, Kelvin.
Correct. 10 points. Asadya House, the transfer of heat which does not require a medium is called dash. Options: conduction, convection, radiation, vaporization.
The radiation.
Correct answer, 5 points. Bhadrapada House, what is the chemical name for milk of magnesia? Calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, or sodium hydroxide? Correct answer, 5 points. Dhruv House, next question is for you. What is the instrument used to measure rainfall called?
Rain gauge.
Rain gauge, correct answer, 10 points. Next question, Saptarishi House. Who is the present governor of RBI?
Options.
Options are Urjit Patel, Raghuram Rajan, Shashikant Das, or Mamata Banerjee. On the mic, please.
Mamata Banerjee.
Wrong answer. Anybody knows the answer from the crowd? Shashikant Das is the correct answer. You won't be getting any points though. Next question is for Asadya. What is the famous Charter Act? When was the famous Charter Act passed by the British Crown? Options: 1819, 1813, 1913, or 1713.
Sir, 1713.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is 1813. Next question is for Bhadrapada House. Which port is recently named as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port?
Sir, option.
Options are Odisha Port, Kolkata Port, Visakhapatnam Port, or Goa Port.
Goa.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is Kolkata Port. Next question for Dhruv House. Which Indian dance was originally danced only by the men?
Kathakali.
No. Anybody knows the answer from the crowd? The correct answer is Kuchipudi. All right. During the British Raj, a massacre took place in India. You have to tell me. Yes, answer. Options are 13th April 1919, 15th August 1947, 21st September 1989, or 25th November 2002. The question was, during the British Raj, a massacre took place. You have to tell me the date on which it happened. So listen to the question completely and then try to answer. Yes? Alright, we have come to a spell round. So we'll be asking a spelling of a word. You can choose to answer it without the meaning. If you answer it without the meaning, you get 10 points. If you choose to answer it with the meaning, you get only 5 points. Is it clear? Yes? Good. Now, Asadeh House, you have to tell me the meaning, the spelling for the word illuminated.
Sir, ILLMINUTED.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is ILLUMINATED. Illuminated. Bhadrapada House, you have to tell me the spelling for nagging. Nagging. Alright, the meaning is to continuously complain to somebody about his or her behavior.
NAGGING.
Correct answer, 5 points. Next question, Dhruv House. Dhruv House, you have to spell the word splendor for me.
SPLENDOUR.
Correct answer, 10 points. That's the spelling for splendor. Last but not the least question for Saptarishi House. You have to spell the word abundant for me.
ABONDENED.
Wrong answer. Anybody can spell abundant for me? Yes. The correct answer is ABUNDANT. Abundant. Alright. Now we have come to the second round. I'll be revising the rules for the second round. This is a buzzer round. Alright. 20 questions will be asked to you. Each question may include a sound. The questions may include a sound or an image. Each question is worth 10 points for the correct answer. And if in case you answer someone else's question, you get -5. However, if you press the buzzer and you do not answer the correct answer, there is no negative marking on that. The questions are non-transferable once the buzzer is pressed. To answer every question, you will get 10 seconds, and half answers or incomplete answers will not get you any marks. In case of the buzzers, the decision of visual team is final. You have to wait for the visual team to ask you to answer after pressing the buzzer. If the answer is prompted by some other team, we will be cancelling the question and -5 points for the team answering the question. I hope the rules are clear. Alright. The question is, what is the total number of milk teeth in human baby? There are no options in this. You have to just press the buzzer. You can.
Bhadrapada House.
20. Correct answer, 20 teeth. 5 points. Sorry, 10 points. The famous route of trade which connected India to Central Asia in the medieval period was called
Bhadrapada House.
Correct answer, Silk Route, 10 points. Everybody ready? Name the largest healthcare scheme launched by Indian government in 2018.
Dhruv House. Polio.
Wrong answer. Anybody knows the name of the scheme launched by Indian government in 2018? Ayushman Bharat is correct answer, but you won't be awarded any points. Everybody ready? Sericulture is related to the production of dash.
Bhadrapada House.
Silk. Correct answer. 10 points. Everybody ready? Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly?
Dhruv House.
Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the chairman of drafting committee. Next question. Who established the slave dynasty?
Bhadrapada House.
Qutbuddin Aibak. Correct answer, Qutbuddin Aibak. Now we will be showing you an image. You have to identify the monument or the building.
Dhruv House.
Fatehpur Sikri.
You have to tell me the name of the monument.
Time's up.
It's wrong answer. The correct answer is Buland Darwaza. Now we will play a voice clip for you. You have to hear the voice clip and press the buzzer if you know the answer. Clear? All hands on buzzer. Please play the voice clip.
To be nominated by the BCCI for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, which is the highest sporting honor in India. I'm grateful to BCCI, to all my
Bhadrapada House.
support staff, fans of the game.
Rohit Sharma. Correct answer, 10 points. Rohit Sharma. Next question is, where is the highest airport in India located?
Bhadrapada House.
Correct answer. Next question. Where is the highest waterfall in the world located?
Dhruv House.
Angel Falls.
Where is it?
Venezuela.
Correct answer. Venezuela, 10 points. Next question. Which gas is filled in the electric bulb?
Dhruv House.
Yes, you may try.
Helium.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is argon. Listen to this question very carefully. Which is the second largest two-digit number?
Bhadrapada House.
Wrong answer.
Second largest.
Second largest is 98. Name the famous horse of Maharana Pratap.
Bhadrapada House.
Chetak. Correct answer. 10 points. Vakaf, Saptrishi and Asadhya. Which is the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturing company?
Bhadrapada House.
Honda. Wrong answer. Anybody knows the answer of the largest two-wheeler producer? Yes. The correct answer is Hero MotoCorp. Next question. Which is the oldest ocean of the world?
Bhadrapada House.
The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the name of recently purchased fighter planes India has bought? Visual team. Please call it in.
Asadhya.
Asadhya House.
The Rafale.
Rafale is the correct answer. 10 points. Next question. Which layer of the atmosphere helps us communicate wirelessly?
Bhadrapada House. Thermosphere.
Thermosphere is the correct answer. Good going. Last three questions. What is used to measure the intensity of earthquake?
Bhadrapada House. Richter scale.
Richter scale. Can you give me another name for it?
Seismograph.
Correct. 10 points. Next question. Who built the Humayun's tomb?
Bhadrapada Hamida Hanu Begum.
Correct answer, Hamida Banu Begum. Now this is the last question. Name the tribe natives of Assam who lived there for 400 years.
House.
Ahoms.
Correct answer, 10 points, Ahoms. That's the end for quiz competition for class 7. I'll be repeating the rules for you. There will be 2 rounds in the quiz. Round 1 will be pointed questions. That means I will ask a question to each one of you. Each house will be asked 5 questions. Each question is worth 10 points if you answer without options. If you want to answer with options, you get only 5 marks for correct answers. Half answer or incomplete answer will not yield you any marks. If the answer is prompted by any other house, the question remains cancelled. We'll ask you a fresh question, but the house answering on your behalf will get -5. You can ask for options in all questions. Even then, if you do not answer, there is no negative marking. All right? Okay. We'll start with Asadya House again. Asadya House. Take the mic, please. Which planet is known as Earth twins? Options are Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Pluto. Wrong answer. The correct answer is Mars. Alright, please be aware that you have got only 10-second window to answer. So if you want options, you need to be prompt about it. Clear? Bhadrapada House, the question for you. Which river flows through the Great Indian Desert?
Option.
Options are Ganga, Luni, Tapi or Narmada.
Luni.
Correct answer, Luni, 5 points. Next question is for Dhruv House. Dhruv House, the question for you is, who is the present speaker of Lok Sabha? Options are Amit Shah, Om Birla, Ravi Shankar
Om Birla.
Prasad. Om Birla is the correct answer. 5 points. Next question is for Saptarishi House. Which application has become the world's fastest application to reach 50 million downloads in just a matter of 13 days?
Options.
Options are WhatsApp, Paytm, Arogya Setu or Ludo King.
Ludo King.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd can tell me the answer? Arogya Setu is the correct answer. You will not be getting any marks for this. Asadya House, next question. Which city has won the prize for cleanest city in the Clean Cities Survey 2020? Options are Delhi, Indore, Mumbai or Nagpur. Mic on, please. Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd? Correct answer. Indore is the correct answer. Next question for Bhadrapada House. Geographically, which is the oldest part of India?
Please repeat.
Geographically, which is the oldest part of India?
Options.
Options are Deccan Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau or Northern Plains.
Northern Plains.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is Deccan Plateau. Next question, Dhruv House. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984. You have to give me the name.
Sir, Bachendri Pal.
Correct answer, Bachendri Pal, 10 points. Saptarishi House, question for you. What was the first landmass on Earth called?
Options.
Options are Panaga, Angara Land, Gondwana, or Plateau.
Angara Land.
Wrong answer. Anybody from the crowd? The correct answer is Panaga. Next question, Asadeh House. When was the state of Jharkhand formed? Options are 2000, 2001, 2002, or 2003. The correct answer is the year 2000. No points. Next question, Bhadrapada House. India's national anthem was written by Dash.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Correct answer, 10 points. Rabindranath Tagore. Dhruv House. Which are the oldest mountain ranges in India?
Karakoram Range.
The correct answer is Himalayas. No points for this. Saptarishi House. Which is the longest and the thinnest country in the world?
Sir, options.
Options are Nepal, France, Chile, or Singapore.
Singapore.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is Chile. Next question, Asadeh House. What is the SI unit of current called? Options are ampere, meter. Options are ampere, meter, kilogram, or inches.
Kilogram.
Wrong answer. Ampere is the correct answer. Question is, which was considered to be the most powerful Mahajanpada in the medieval period?
Magad.
Correct answer, 10 points, Magad. Dhruv House. Untouchability Offences Act was passed in which year? Options are 1950, 1955, 2005, or 1985.
1955.
Correct answer, 5 points. Saptarishi House. Name the river that flows between Vindhya Range and Satpura Range.
Sir, options.
Options Narmada, Yamuna, Damodar, or Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Correct answer is Narmada. Now we have reached to the spelling round. You will be asked a word to spell. You will be given a word to spell. If you choose to tell me the spelling of that word without any help, that means you don't ask the meaning of it, you get 10 marks. If you ask the meaning of the word and then spell it correctly, you get only 5 points. Clear? Everybody? Alright. Now Asadeh House, you have to tell me the spelling for ridiculous. Time up. The ridiculous word spells as Ridiculous. Next question for Bhadrapada House. You have to spell the word starvation for me.
Starveation.
Wrong answer. The correct answer for this is Starvation. Starvation. No points on this. Next question for Dhruv House. Dhruv House, you have to spell the word marvelous for me.
Marvelous.
10 points. Correct answer. Saptarishi House, you have to spell the word millionaire.
Millief.
Wrong answer. The correct answer is Millionaire. Millionaire. Alright. With this, we come to an end of round number 1. Round number 2 will be explained to you by Manish sir, and he will be taking over the quiz.
Okay, hello. I am revising the rule for you for round number 2. Total 20 questions will be asked. The questions will include images, sound clips, etc. Each question is worth 10 points for the correct answer and -5 for the wrong or incomplete answers. The questions are non-transferable once the buzzer is pressed. The questions will not be repeated or completed if the buzzer is pressed in the middle of the questions. To answer every question, you will be given 10 seconds, failing which will result in a -5 points. Okay. Half answers or incomplete answer will not yield any marks. In case of buzzers, the decisions of the visual team will be final. If answer is prompted by some other team, we will cancel the question and a fresh question will be asked. Prompting or answering someone else's questions will result 0 points. Okay? Prompting or answering someone else's questions will result in -5 points. So I'm going to ask questions. Are all the rules clear to all of you? Okay, I'm going to start round number 2. Hand on the buzzer. Which country made the record of maximum death due to COVID-19? Which country made the record of maximum death due to COVID-19? Yes, Bhadrapata House. Yes, correct. The next question is, what is the total number of bones in human skull?
Asadya House.
206.
No, wrong. Anyone from the crowd? No, the correct answer is 14. The third question is, what are the animals without the spinal cord called?
Dhruv House.
Yes, correct. Very good. Now the fourth question is, what is the full form of FIR?
Saptarishi House.
Yes, correct. Very good. Carefully. This one is for you. Identify the Bhakti saint shown in the picture. Here is the picture for you. Identify the Bhakti saint shown in the picture.
Time's up.
Anybody from the crowd? Okay. Sorry. My mistake. The correct answer is Kabir. Okay. Now, the sixth question is name the earliest civilization in India.
Dhruv House.
Indus Valley Civilization.
No, wrong. Anybody from the crowd? Name the earliest civilization in India. Yes, correct. Harappan civilization. Very good. Now the seventh question. What is the photography used to observe solar eclipse? Yes.
Pinhole camera.
No, wrong. Anybody? The correct answer is solargraphy. Now we move to the next question. Who is the winner of Purple Cap in IPL 2020? Who is the winner of Purple Cap in IPL 2020? Anybody from the crowd? Purple Cap winner? The correct answer is Kagiso Rabada. Now we move to the next question. Identify the Bollywood actor in the clip. Here is the clip for you.
कि गवर्नमेंट कोई गुड न्यूज नहीं बताती इलाज भर में वैक्सीन ट्रायल में जा चुके हैं सब पे एक साथ आई है मुसीबत सब एक साथ मिलेंगे तो निकल जाएंगे इसमें से खुद पे और दूसरों पे भरोसा करो ना प्लीज पार्टी मत करो ना ट्रैवल मत करो ना लोगों को मत मिलो ना नेटफ्लिक्स अकेले करो ना
Anybody? Anyone?
Time, sir.
Okay. The correct answer is Karthik Aryan. Now the next question is where is India's floating national park? Where is India's floating national park? Anyone? No? Anybody from the crowd? No, the correct answer is Manipur. Okay, the next question is the field of any material is known as. The field of any material is known as. Yes,
Dhruv House.
Texture.
correct. Very good. Now we move to the next question. Anemia is caused due to deficiency of dash. Yes.
Bhadrapada House.
Vitamin.
No. Anyone? Anemia is caused due to deficiency of. The correct answer is iron. Okay. The next question is name the 4 Vedas of the Vedic age.
Saptarishi House.
No. Anyone? Yes, however, you will not get any marks. It is Rig Ved, Samved, Atharvaved, and Yajurved. Now we move to the next question. Who established the Mauryan Empire? Yes.
Dhruv House.
Chandragupta Maurya.
Very good. Correct. Now we move to the next question. Jainism was founded by. Jainism.
Mahavir Jain.
Very good. Correct. The next question is what was the first sermon of Gautam Buddha called?
Bhadrapada House.
Dharm Chakra Parivartan.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Now the next question is what is the full form of GMT? Yes,
Greenwich Mean Time.
correct. Very good. The next question is, which map shows distribution of minerals, crops and forest? Yes?
Madhyapada House.
Physical map.
No? Anyone? Which map shows distribution of minerals, crops and forest? The correct answer is thematic maps. The next question is, the property of plant stem to grow towards the source of light is called. The property of plant stem to grow toward the source of light is called. Yes?
Brew House.
Phototropism.
Very good. Correct. Now the last question for this round is, how many languages are identified by the Indian Constitution? Yes?
Brew House.
22.
Very good. Correct. So this is the end of the second round.
Class.
The first question is from Asadya House. Animals that eat both plants and meat known as. Very good. Correct. Plus 10 marks. Now the second question is for Bhadrapada House. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under which tree? Yeah. Option number A, peepal, B, neem, C, mango, and D, sesame. Yes, absolutely correct. Plus 5 marks. Now this question is for Dhruv House. Which bird can run fastest?
Ostrich.
Correct. Plus 10. Now this question is for Saptarishi. Which planet is called the windy planet?
Neptune.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Now the next question is from Asadya House. Who was the first president of India? Incorrect. Anybody from the crowd? Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the correct answer. Okay. Now this one is from Bhadrapada House. On which river has the Bhakra Dam been built? Need options? Okay. The Ganga, the Satluj, the Chenab, the Narmada. Correct. Okay, this one is from Dhruv House. Haridwar is located in which state?
Options.
Yes. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Incorrect. Anybody from the crowd? Uttarakhand is the right answer. Yes. Now this question is from Saptarishi. What is the national fruit of India?
Mango.
Correct. Very good. Now we move to the next question from Asadya House. About how much percentage of Earth surface is covered with water? No. Anybody from the crowd? 70% is the correct answer. Okay, this one is from Bhadrapada House. What is the traditional dress of Rajasthan? You may ask for options too. Time's up. Okay, the correct answer is Ghagra Choli. Now this is from Dhruv House. When was the first artificial satellite launched by India?
Option.
19th April 1975, 17th March 2020, 12th April 1970 and 21st September 1989.
D.
No, wrong. The correct answer is 19th April 1975. Okay, this is a special round for the spell round in which you have to spell the word correctly. Yes?
You can't.
Yes?
Saptrishi House. Saptrishi House.
सप्तऋषि कंप्लीट हो गया अभी कंप्लीट हो गया Okay, this question is from Saptrishi House. It is a question from round number 1. In which continent the Democratic Republic of Congo is located?
Africa.
Correct. Very good. Now, the next question is from Asadya House. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? You may ask for the options too. UAE, Riyadh. Yes, correct. Plus 5 marks. Okay, this is from Bhadrapada House. Which region of India lies in the seismic zone? A. Options? Need options? Okay. Northern Plains, Himalayas, Deccan Plateau, and Peninsular India. Incorrect. The correct answer is Himalayas. Okay. Okay, this one is from Dhruv House. Mount Etna in Italy is an example of which type of volcano?
Dormant.
Again?
Dormant volcano.
Correct. The last question is from Saptrishi House. Jet planes fly in which layer of the atmosphere?
Stratosphere.
No, wrong. The correct answer is troposphere. Okay, this is a special round, a spell round. I think you all are aware the rules of this round. Okay. The first word is disorganized. Yes, Asadya House. No. The next question is from Bhadrapada. Concentration. Correct. Okay, the next question is from Dhruv House. Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
No, wrong. The correct spelling is Pronunciation. Okay. So we move to the next question from Saptrishi. Providence.
Providence.
Correct. Okay. So this is the end of a special round of spell. Now we move to the next round. You all know the rules of round number 2. Okay. So it is the buzzer round. Hands on the buzzer. Identify the state shown in the image. This one is the image. Yes.
Saptrishi House.
Madhya Pradesh.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. The next question is identify the voice in the clip. You will listen the clip and you have to identify.
किसी वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो या तो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है या बहुत ही क्लिनिकल है. So I think after doing our sort of research and seeing what other websites have to offer,
Anyone?
और हमारे देश में ऐसा एक वेबसाइट है ही नहीं.
Nobody. This was the voice of Deepika Padukone. Okay, we move to the third question. Which internal organ is affected due to COVID-19? It is a burning question. Which internal organ is affected due to COVID-19? No takers? Okay, the correct answer is lungs. We move to the fourth question. Which country gives Nobel Prize? Yes?
The house.
No? Incorrect? Anyone from the crowd? Yes, correct. Very good. So we move to the next question. Which is the longest dam in India? Which is the longest dam in India?
Time's up.
Anybody from the crowd? No, it is Hirakud Dam. So we move to the next question. Which is the shortest day of the year in 2020? Anyone? No. Time's up. Okay, the shortest day of the year in 2020 is 21st December. So the next question is, how many consonants are there in English alphabet? Yes,
21.
The house.
correct. Very good. The next question is, which is the tallest mountain peak in the world?
Dhruv house.
Mount Everest.
Very good, absolutely correct. Hands on the buzzer. Which is the largest plateau in the world? No takers? Okay. The largest plateau in the world is Tibetan Plateau. The next question, quite easy. What makes approximately 80% of the human brain? Yes,
Saptarishi house.
Water.
correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. Now, my next question is, how many sides does an octagon has?
Sadhya house.
Yes. No, incorrect. The correct answer is 8. Now my next question is, what number do you get when you multiply all the numbers on a telephone pad? Quite easy.
Saptarishi house.
0.
Correct. Very good. So my next question is, which animal is referred to as the desert sheep?
Dhruv house.
Camel.
Correct. Very good. So the next question, which color is the symbol of peace?
Sadhya house.
Very good. So moving to the next question, it is also quite easy. What is the national song of India?
Asadhya house.
No. The correct answer is Vande Mataram. Okay. So my next question is, Who is the scientist who discovered gravity? Yes.
Dhruv House.
Newton.
Yes. My next question is, who is considered as the father of Indian space program? Just try.
Saptarishi House.
Aryabhatta.
No, incorrect. Anybody from the crowd? Who is considered as the father of Indian space program? No, the correct answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Moving to the next question. On whose birthday is the Teacher Day celebrated?
Dhruv House.
Doctor.
Time's up.
Okay, quite easy. The correct answer is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Moving to my next question. What is the full form of UNO? What is the full form of UNO?
Saptarishi House.
United Nations Organization.
Correct. Very good. So it is the last question from this round. What did the Wright brothers invent?
Dhruv House.
Aeroplane.
Yes, correct. Very good. So this is the end of the round number 2. You all performed very well. Thank you. Okay. You may take your seats. Questions from Asadhya House. This question is from Asadhya House. Which creature has the largest eye in the animal kingdom? Very good. Absolutely correct. Okay. The next question is from Bhadrapada House. Which acid contained in lemon? Correct. This question is from Dhruv House. Who is known as the father of Indian nuclear science? No. So sad. It is incorrect. The correct answer is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Okay. This question is from Saptrishi. Who invented telescope? Yeah. Galileo Galilei? Correct. Very good. +5. So this question is from Asadhya House. What do you call the place used as a shed for housing aircraft? You may ask for options too. Okay. Station, parking, dockyard, hangar. Correct. +5. Very good. This question is from Bhadrapada House. When do we celebrate Marty's Day? When? Correct. Very good. +10. This question is from Dhruv House. Who was the eldest brother among the Pandavas? Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul. Yes, +5 marks. Very good. This question is from Saptrishi. On which river is the Jog Falls? Sabarmati, Ganga, Kosi, Shravati. Gil? I'm not listening to. No, incorrect. Anybody from the crowd? On which river is the Jog Fall? A. Sabarmati, Ganga, Kosi, Shravati. The correct answer is Shravati. This question is from Asadhya House. Which country is famous for bullfighting? Need options? Okay. China, Spain, Japan, USA. Incorrect. So sad. No. The correct answer is Spain. So my next question is from Bhadrapada House. What is the currency of Japan?
Yen.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. Plus 10. The next question is from Dhruv House. In which year the Indian Constitution was adopted?
26 January.
Year. You have to say the year. Okay. The correct answer is 1950. The next question is from Saptarishi. Which Indian athlete is known as the Dying Express?
Hima Dash.
Very good. Absolutely correct. Plus 10. Now from Asadhya. The Statue of Unity is the statue of which Indian leader?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
What?
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Correct. Plus 10. Very good. The next question is from Bhadrapada House. Which is the longest national highway in India? Need options? A. NH 32, B. NH 44, C. NH 1 or D. NH 2?
NH 44.
No. Wrong. The correct answer is NH 1. ओके मेरे को लगा यार हाईलाइट हो गया ये पहले से किया होता है 10 सॉरी प्लस 5 यहाँ पर प्लस The capital of Kerala.
Bengaluru.
Wrong. Anybody from the crowd? Very good. Thiruvananthapuram is the correct answer. So my last question is from Saptarishi House. Who inaugurated the Vande Bharat Express on 15th February 2019?
Options.
Yogi Adityanath, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, and last one is Rahul Gandhi.
Amit Shah.
No, so sad. It is incorrect. The correct answer is Narendra Modi. So, my next question is from Asadhya House. Trees that do not shed their leaves throughout the year are called?
SETS tree.
Very good. Correct. So from Asadhya House, surgeries.
You have to answer within 10 seconds.
Yes, you have just 10 seconds.
SURJURIES.
Incorrect. The correct answer is SURGERIES, surgeries. The next question is from Bhadrapada House. Perishable.
PERISHABLE.
Correct. Very good. Now from my next question is from Dhruv House. Unnecessary.
UNNESSARY.
No. Incorrect. The correct answer is UNNECESSARY. The last question is from Saptarishi. Engineering.
Just have 3 seconds. 2, 1. Time's up.
Time's up. Time's up. But I will say the correct spelling of for this. ENGINEERING. So we move to the next round. It is the last round. Round number 2, buzzer round. Hands on your buzzer. Okay? Get ready for it. My first question is, which part of the human body is affected by bronchitis? Yes? Correct. Very good. Which country's capital is Dhaka?
Bhadrapada House.
Yes? Use the mic.
Bhutan.
No, incorrect. Anybody? Correct. Bangladesh. So my next question is, what is the real name of Santa Claus? Incorrect. Saint Nicholas. Okay, my next question is, identify the famous comedian from the sound clip. Here's a sound clip for you.
अच्छा खाना वाना खाया सब लोगों ने नहीं खाया आप भी मेरी तरह डाइटिंग पे होटल में खाना खाने को सभी को बड़ा शौक होता है आप लोग खाते हैं
Absolutely correct. Kapil Sharma is the right answer. Very good. Now you have to identify the picture. Okay. So from the picture, identify the famous building. Here's the picture for you. Yes,
Bhadrapada House.
correct. Absolutely correct. Now my next question is, Sikkim is famous for which flower plantations? Yes.
Bhadrapada House.
What? Correct. Orchids. So my next question is, how many islets and rocks formed the Andaman and Nicobar Island? No,
No
incorrect.
marks.
Okay. 0. The question has been cancelled. So the next question is, what is the highest civilian award in India?
Bhadrapada House.
Bharat Ratna.
Very good. Correct. So, moving to the next question. Name the sea creature that produces pearls. Yes?
Bhadrapada House.
Sea pearl.
No? Anybody from the crowd? Name the sea creature that produces pearls. Very good. Oyster. My next question is, which is the smallest single digit composite number?
2.
Incorrect.
Question is cancelled.
You
You
have
have to wait.
Okay. My next question is, what is the name of the triangle with two equal sides?
Quadrilateral.
The question is cancelled.
You have to wait.
आपको buzzer press करना है. हम यहाँ से announce करेंगे that you have pressed the buzzer. Then only you have to answer the question.
Okay. Moving to the next question. Which game consists of terms like bishop, elephant, horse, queen? Which game consists of terms like bishop, elephant, horse, queen?
Bhadrapada House.
Yes,
Chess.
absolutely correct. Very well done. Ready for the next question? What are plants without chlorophyll called? What are plants without chlorophyll called? No takers? The correct answer is ghost plant. My next question is, what is a growing body inside the egg called?
Embryo.
Correct. What is the larva of a housefly called?
House.
Correct. Next question is, which sea animal's face inflates twice the body size when faced with danger?
Dhruv House.
Correct. Absolutely correct. The next question is, the animals that eat the dead bodies or other organisms are called?
Dhruv House.
Correct. The next question is, name the longest river in the world.
Bhadrapada House.
Nile.
Very good. The next one is, what is the capital of Lakshadweep?
Saptarishi House.
Three seconds. 2, 1. Time's up.
Anyone from the crowd, what is the capital of Lakshadweep? Correct. Kavaratti. So it is the last question for round number 2. What is the blue wheel in the Indian flag called?
Bhadrapada House.
Very good. Ashok Chakra. So this is the end of round number 2. You may take your seats. Okay. So rig the horses of your brains and give the answer as soon as possible. So the first question is from Asadya House. Which city is called the city of garden? You can take options too. A. Kolkata, B. Bengaluru, C. Chennai, and D. Hyderabad.
Bengaluru.
Bengaluru is absolutely correct. +5. Very good. So the next question is from Bhadrapada House. Where is Marina Beach located? Where? Very good. +10. The next question is from Dhruv House. The Gateway of India was built in which year? 1924, 1925, 1825 and 1875? Correct. Absolutely correct. 1924. Plus 5. This is from Saptarishi. Who designed the symbol of Indian rupee? You may ask for the options too. Dharam Lingam Uday Kumar. Yes, absolutely correct. Plus 5. This one is from Asadya. Which planet is called morning and evening star?
Venus.
Yes, correct. One language spoken in South India. Telugu, Hindi, English, Sanskrit. Correct. Plus 5. Dhruv House. What is the capital of Ladakh? What is the capital of Ladakh? Options: Leh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Shimla. Very good. Correct. This one is from Saptarishi. Full form of CNG. Full form.
Sir, compressed natural gas.
Absolutely correct. Plus 10. Okay. This one is from Asadya. Which country is the largest producer of tea?
West Bengal.
Which country? You may ask for the options. Okay.
Options.
No, you will be awarded 0. Okay. Okay, from Bhadrapada. To which country did Alexander the Great belong? Need options?
Yes.
France, Greece, Spain, Italy.
Greece.
Absolutely correct. Plus 5. From Dhruv. Where is the wait for a moment. Of which country?
Options.
Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka or Bangladesh?
Sri Lanka.
No, wrong. The correct answer is Bhutan. Now from Saptarishi. On the banks of which river is Agra situated?
Sir, options.
A. Yamuna, Ganga, Saraswati and Kaveri.
Yamuna.
Correct. Plus 5. Now from okay, from Asadya. What is the national game of China? What is the national game of China?
Options.
Table tennis, cricket, golf and badminton.
Badminton.
No, wrong. The correct answer is table tennis. Okay, this one is the question from Bhadrapada. With which game is Ranji Trophy associated?
Cricket.
Absolutely correct. Plus 10. Now the question is from Dhruv House. The currency of Pakistan. What is the currency of Pakistan?
Rupee.
No. The correct answer is Pakistani rupee. Only Pakistani. You will have to add Pakistani before it. Okay. The last question is from Saptrishi. Who is the author of Panchtantra?
Sir, options.
Vishnu Sharma, Premchand, Vikram Seth, and Megha Das.
Vikram Seth.
No. The correct answer is Vishnu Sharma. Okay. This is the end of round number 1. Word is from Asadya. Gratitude. You may ask for the meaning too.
Gratitude.
Correct, absolutely correct. Very good. The next question is from Bhadrapada House. Underestimate. Underestimate.
Underestimate.
No, incorrect. The correct answer is Underestimate. Underestimate. The next question is from Dhruv House. Destination.
Destination.
No, incorrect. The correct answer is Destination. Destination. Okay. So the last question is from Saptrishi. Criticism.
Sir, please repeat.
Criticism.
Sir, Criticism.
So sad. It is incorrect. The correct answer is Criticism. Criticism. So this is the end of this special round, spell B. So we move to the next round, our last round, the buzzer round. Okay, get ready for it. Okay, you all will have to wait. Okay. So this is the first question. Listen my questions carefully and give the answer as soon as possible. First question is, which is the largest sense organ in human body? Yes?
Asadya House.
Eyes.
No? Incorrect? Anyone from the crowd? Yes, correct. Skin is the right answer. The next question is, name the bird who makes a hole in the tree trunk to live there.
Asadya House. 5 seconds.
It's just a 5 seconds.
Woodpecker.
Yes, correct. Woodpecker is the right answer. Very good. So my next question is, what is the normal body temperature of a human being? What is the normal body temperature of a human being? No one? Anybody from the crowd? Very good. 98.6 or 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the next question is, which is the longest river on earth? Yes?
Asadya House.
Nile.
Yes, the river Nile is the right answer. Very good. Ready for the next question? My next question is, what is the national song of India?
Asadya House.
Jana Gana Mana.
No.
So the question is
No. इसको cancel कर दो.
Sir. Ma'am.
Famous sports person from the image. Here is the image for you.
Asadya House.
Mary Kom.
Correct. Very good. Ready for the next question? Which constellation is also called the Great Bear?
Ursa Major.
Yes, very good. Here is a sound clip for you. Okay, you have to identify the sound.
Saptarishi House.
Yes, absolutely correct. Sinchan theme song. Yes, very good. Okay. Where is the gateway of India located?
Bhadrapada House.
Mumbai.
Absolutely good, correct. Now the next question is, which planet is called morning and okay, this question has been so the next question is, which is the largest mammal on earth?
Bhadrapada House.
No. So ready for the next question? Complete the proverb actions speak. Complete the proverb actions speak.
Bhadrapada House.
What? Correct, very good. Okay, the next question is, which animal is the fastest running animal in the world?
True House.
Cheetah.
Correct. Very good. Moving to my next question. What is the chemical formula of water?
Options.
No options?
There are no options in buzzer round. Time's up.
Okay, anybody from the crowd? Correct. H2O is the right answer. So my next question is, Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for yes.
Time's up.
The correct answer is lion. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for lion. Okay, my next question is, the city Agra is located on the bank of which river? Yeah, repeated. Is known as the city of palaces.
Asadya House.
Yes.
Kolkata.
Time, sir.
No. Incorrect answer. The correct answer is Jaipur. My next question is, what is the nearest star to Earth?
Rishi House, Saptarishi House.
Sir, sun.
Yes, correct. Very good. Who is also known as Iron Man of India?
Asadya House.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Very good. Okay, the last question is, when is the Republic Day is celebrated?
Saptarishi House.
Sir, 26th.
Sorry,
Jan-
Asadya House.
26th of January.
Correct.
Repeated question. Yes, say yes, ma'am.
26 January repeated.
Vixen is the female of. Yes?
Fox.
Correct. Very good.
All of you. I hope you really like this program. The our aim is because of Corona, I told everyone that lockdown, आपका दिमाग भी lockdown हो गया, so we want to open that. So that's why we call, and we are planning 2-3 programs more. I hope you will come and participate in this program, coming program also. Please convince your parents also. And I asked to so many children that is in 8th standard also about their feeling. So they said, ma'am, we are feeling very good after we are coming back. After a long time we are coming back. So we are feeling very good, and I told them this is the best time you can meet your teachers and you can means memory वापस आने के लिए school के साथ. So I just want to announce the result once more.
Starting fourth is Saptarishi House with 200 points. Standing third is Asadya House with a total of 235 points. Second is Dhruv House with 315 points. And the winner of this competition is Bhadrapada House with 385 marks. Congratulations to the winners.